On this episode, we visit the Civil War historic site, Cascade Springs, with Jill and Jaron, right here on Georgia Eat Explore More.
And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we upload a new video.
What's up, guys? DJ Summer, and we have friends and supporters of the channel, Jaron and Jill. We're out here at Cascade Springs Nature Preserve. Very beautiful place just right outside of Atlanta. So we're going to go inside and check it out and see all the beautiful gems that's out here. So the house behind us, or the little shack here, actually was a power plant from when this was a resort back in the day. So a little cool historical something right as soon as you get on this trail. Let me try not to fall.
Indian Springs, if y'all ever heard that or been there, and it was used as a resort for the healing waters from Cascade Springs. So that's why you see these ruins, these foundation ruins and stuff like that. That's really pushing.
Oh yeah, so you're seeing
Cooper.
Did you get a shot?
This is a good shot.
Having fun in there?
Not really. All the sound is just completely dampened by the dead wood. It's just me and the bugs in here.
Oh, lovely. You can come out. Alright guys, that was Cascade Springs in Atlanta, Georgia. Very fun place, very historical place. Jill was actually, teaching us a lot while we were hiking out here. This was apparently a, what would you say, a Civil War?
It was a Civil War battleground, and it was a retreat for people who thought the springs were healing waters.
You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you when we get back home.
Bye.
Alright guys, that was Cascade Springs in Atlanta, Georgia. It was a fun little escape with Jill and Jaron. We had a great time out there. It was very interesting. We saw this man singing with his guitar out there by the waterfall, and it was very interesting. I looked it up. His name is Rory. It was really interesting to see that. He had a really great voice, so it was pretty cool.
Yep. So we couldn't play his music on here because it's copywritten. But we'll put a link to his website. You can maybe check out his music. So yeah, like we said, great artist. Had fun out there hiking with Jill and Jaron. Thank you guys for coming out there hiking with us and sharing your vast knowledge of that area, with it being a Civil War site and former healing spot. So yes, thank you for sharing that with us. So yep, you guys are awesome. We have merch, eatexploremore.com/merch. That's how you get our merch, like shirts and canvases. Still haven't made those canvases yet, shame on me. If you want to suggest places to us, hit us up on our social media. Links to that is in the description. Also, suggest places in the comments below. Subscribe, like this video, share this video. Consider supporting us on either Patreon or PayPal. We love you guys and all the support that you give us. Thank you so very much. You guys are awesome.
Bye. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.